The digital workspace is a bustling place. We juggle emails, documents, tasks, and constant communication, all in the name of getting things done. Two powerful tools that often find themselves at the center of this digital dance are ClickUp and Slack. ClickUp, with its robust project management capabilities, and Slack, the king of instant messaging, each bring unique strengths to the table. This naturally leads to a common question. Can ClickUp truly replace Slack? As a project management expert, I've seen teams thrive and struggle with various combinations of tools. Let's dive deep into this question, breaking down the core functionalities of each platform and exploring whether ClickUp can indeed step into Slack's shoes. We'll keep it simple, using plain English, so anyone looking to understand or even write about this topic for educational purposes can easily follow along. Understanding the core strengths, ClickUp versus Slack. To answer the replacement question effectively, we first need to appreciate what each tool does best. Slack, the communication hub. At its heart, Slack is a real-time messaging platform. Its primary strengths lie in instant communication. Slack allows for quick, informal conversations through direct messages and dedicated channels organized by topic, team, or project. This fosters a sense of immediacy and keeps everyone in the loop. Team collaboration. Channels provide a central space for team discussions, sharing updates, and brainstorming ideas. This reduces email clutter and promotes transparency. File sharing. Easily share documents, images, and other files directly within conversations. Integrations. Slack boasts a vast library of integrations with other tools, allowing you to bring notifications and updates from various platforms into your communication flow. Informal communication and culture. Slack often becomes the digital water cooler, facilitating casual conversations and building team camaraderie through emojis, GIFs, and threads. ClickUp, the project management powerhouse. ClickUp, on the other hand, is a comprehensive project management platform designed to organize and track work. Its key strengths include task management, robust features for creating, assigning, prioritizing, and tracking tasks with detailed information like due dates, assignees, statuses, and custom fields. Project organization, hierarchical structure with spaces, folders, lists, and tasks, allowing for granular organization of projects and workflows. Collaboration within tasks. Comments directly attached to tasks provide context-specific communication, keeping discussions relevant to the work at hand. Multiple views offers various ways to visualize work, including list, board, Kanban, calendar, Gantt chart, and more, catering to different project needs and preferences. Automation. Automate repetitive tasks and workflows to improve efficiency and reduce manual effort. Goal setting and tracking. Features to define and monitor progress towards larger objectives. Docs and whiteboards. Integrated document creation and collaborative whiteboard tools for brainstorming and knowledge sharing. ClickUp's foray into communication. ClickUp Chat. Recognizing the importance of communication within project management, ClickUp has introduced its own chat functionality, aptly named ClickUp Chat. This feature aims to bring real-time conversations directly into the ClickUp environment. How ClickUp Chat works. Space, folder, and list-level chat. Dedicated chat channels can be created within specific project areas, keeping conversations tightly linked to the ongoing work. Task-specific comments. As mentioned earlier, comments within tasks serve as a crucial communication tool for discussing specific action items. Direct messages. Users can also send private messages to individual team members. File sharing. Similar to Slack, files can be shared within chat channels and direct messages. Notifications. ClickUp provides notifications for new chat messages, ensuring users stay informed. The core question: can ClickUp Chat effectively replace Slack? Now let's get to the heart of the matter. While ClickUp Chat offers communication features, can it truly replace the comprehensive capabilities and established presence of Slack? The answer, as with many things in the world of software, is it depends. Arguments for ClickUp potentially replacing Slack. Centralized workflow. The most compelling argument for replacing Slack with ClickUp is the potential for a truly centralized workflow. Imagine having all your tasks, project updates, and team communication happening within a single platform. This can significantly reduce context switching, the mental effort required to jump between different applications. Contextual communication. Having chat directly within project spaces and tasks ensures that conversations are always relevant to the work being discussed. No more sifting through general Slack channels to find the discussion related to a specific task. Reduce tool sprawl. For organizations looking to streamline their tech stack and reduce the number of subscriptions they manage, consolidating communication and project management into one tool can be a significant cost and administrative benefit. Improved task-related discussions. Task comments in ClickUp are excellent for focused discussions directly related to the specifics of a task. This keeps all relevant information and decisions tied to the task itself, improving clarity and accountability. For teams primarily focused on project execution, teams whose primary focus is on executing projects and whose communication is heavily centered around task updates and project progress might find ClickUp's integrated chat sufficient. Limitations of ClickUp Chat as a Slack replacement. Despite its advantages, ClickUp Chat currently faces several limitations when compared to Slack. Maturity and feature set. Slack has been around longer and boasts a more mature and feature-rich communication platform. This includes advanced search capabilities, more robust integrations with communication-centric apps, and a wider range of customization options. Informal communication and culture. Slack excels at fostering informal communication and building team culture through dedicated social channels, fun integrations, and a more casual atmosphere. ClickUp Chat, while functional, might feel more focused on work-related discussions. External collaboration. Slack's guest user features and shared channels make it easier to collaborate with external stakeholders like clients or partners. While ClickUp offers guest access, its chat functionality for external collaborators might not be as seamless or widely adopted as Slack's. Search functionality. While ClickUp's overall search is powerful, Slack's search is specifically designed for quickly finding past conversations and files within the communication context. Audio and video calls. While ClickUp does offer some meeting capabilities, Slack's built-in audio and video calls are often more readily used for quick verbal communication. Existing team habits and adoption. For teams already heavily invested in Slack and accustomed to its workflows, the disruption of switching entirely to ClickUp Chat for all communication might outweigh the benefits of consolidation. Changing ingrained communication habits can be a significant challenge. Integration ecosystem. While ClickUp has a growing list of integrations, Slack's integration ecosystem is significantly larger and more diverse, particularly when it comes to other communication and productivity tools.